All right, these are your notes on solving systems by elimination. So we've already done substitution. We've also done graphing, but now we're going to be eliminating. There are 3 different types of elimination. You have elimination by addition, subtraction, multiplication, and these are your steps. So you're going to need your highlighter. The first thing you're going to need to do is write your systems out so that way the like terms are aligned. So match that color down here in the elimination using addition. Your x's are lined up, your y's are lined up. Same in subtraction. Your x's are lined up, your y's are lined up. Same in multiplication. Your x's are lined up, your y's are lined up. Now notice they're all in standard form. It's very important that you have them in standard form before you do elimination. If they're not in standard form, you should probably do substitution. That would be a lot easier if it's not in standard form. So here, instead of getting y by itself and substituting, I'm going to try to do elimination. You're going to eliminate one of the variables. So for instance here, I would eliminate my y's by adding them together because I have a -4 and a +4. Those cancel whenever you put them together. So that would be your step 2. So with your pen, put 2 next to this step because that is eliminating. Then you're going to substitute the value that you solved for. So once you got rid of your y's, then you only had the x, which was great because now you're going to take that and you're going to plug it into where the x is. Now notice what you have. Y's. I kind of think of this like dominoes. Once you get rid of something, everything else goes really fast because then all you have to do is divide, plug in, and then you just get y by itself. So that is elimination using addition. Look over at the subtraction. This is step 2, which is eliminating using one of the variables. So right here I've got 2x and 2x, and if I made one of these negative, then I would have something similar to up here. Positive and negative. Right now they're both positive. So what I'm going to do is change this 2 to become negative. But if I do that, then I got to change them all. So what we did was we showed parentheses around that. With the negative, you can put a 1. Multiply everything, and the signs end up changing. This is good because now you can get rid of the x's. And then it's like a domino. It just goes so fast. Because now all you have is 1y and 5y, so 6y. Divide that out. Take this, since it's y, you plug it directly into the y on one of the equations, and you would just choose the equation. Now, this is an example of when you have to multiply by -1, so that way you can subtract them. Here, we don't have any of the same numbers. This is a -3, this is a +1. This is a +1, this is a 2. So we're going to need to create an opposite. Like on here, I had -4 and +4. Here I don't have anything. But if I multiply this one by 3, I'll have a +3 and a -3. And I want that because then I can cancel that out. Well, if I make this a 3 by multiplying, then I got to multiply everything by that 3. Just like over here, I had to multiply everything by that -1. So everything changes after that. Then I can cancel. And then the domino effect. Get your y, plug it in. And it just goes from there till you get your ordered pair. Now remember, these ordered pairs are wherever the 2 lines cross. So 2, -1. That would be where these 2 lines cross. Let's see, -1, -3, so maybe the lines are like this, but they cross there. 3, 4, so maybe it looks like that. But that's where they cross, right on the 3, 4. So take a look at your other note sheet. You'll actually go to the next video for that. So hit stop and hit next.